So this is the 10 by 30 tiny house with a propane fireplace and propane range and oven, a solid oak countertop, LED lights everywhere. All of these are dimmable, so you go whoop, like that, and so those are the awnings stored inside temporarily. You can guess the fridge is there. Kid bathtub and tile work on the shower. Beautiful stone sink. All the siding in the bathroom is cedar. All the rest is fir and pine. Beautiful cedar doors with French doors with the rock guard. No sight for now. This is the office. Live edge office. Storage, bookshelf, more storage. We're gonna go back upstairs. It's fairly big, so it takes a while. Yep, this is a storage bench. All the windows are triple pane. The walls are 6-inch wide with rock wool, so it's super well insulated. It costs virtually nothing to heat it up. So right here is the master bedroom. Can fit a full queen size bed, and part of the magic is the skylight. You can fall asleep looking at the stars. And this is what used to be the kids' room for us, but it can be a second bedroom. Those are the chairs that go downstairs that come with the house. What you see here is the Lunos ventilation system. There's 2 of them, so that what makes the house breathe. This is the controller for the Lunos, and so the house is constantly breathing in and out, which makes the inside air quality match that of the outside.